Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help first-time car buyers navigate the journey of owning their first car. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I've been engaged elsewhere with work, but here's a video about my latest experience with the Toyota Sienta. If you're new here, I share lessons from my own experience from the viewpoint of a first-time car owner to save you from costly mistakes, and today I'm excited to tell you about how I upgraded my tires and rims and a big lesson that changed my ride. Let's get into it. When I bought my Sienta in Mombasa, it came with a 17-inch aftermarket alloy rims and low-profile tires, which really looked slick, but on Kenya's rough roads, potholes and uneven tarmac, the ride quality was not the best. The suspension feedback was harsh and I tore one tire after hitting a pothole on speed. Back while I was buying this car in Mombasa, I noticed the tires were fairly worn out and I knew I would need to replace them, say 1 year down the road. So I negotiated a lower price for the car with the seller, factoring in the cost of the 4 tires. I thought I'd just replace the tires only, but I didn't check the rim size, which is now a costly mistake. When it was time to replace the tires, I searched all over Nairobi in Kingsway Tires, Tyre Tires, Auto Express, and other local dealers in Kirinyaga Road and Ngara, but I could not find a standard or normal profile tire that could fit my rims and work on my car. Standard profile tires for 17-inch rims couldn't fit on my car without scratching or rubbing on the car's body or the wheel well. All the dealers were recommending the same thing: replace both the rims and the tires to the manufacturer recommended size 15 or size 16. And I had no option other than this expensive option. So I found a dealer with new Dunlop all-season tires, the correct size, and he agreed to trade in my old rims for new alloy rims, though I had to top up some cash. I chose Dunlop because of their tread pattern, durability, and overall quality, which can easily serve me more than 6 years. It's also on the same quality and price range with brands like Goodyear and Bridgestone. After replacing both the rims and the tires, the car's handling is much smoother, quieter, and the grip is refined. It's like swapping heavy boots for lightweight shoes. The rims and tires have transformed the ride completely. And don't forget, we are still offering the first-time car buyer's guide booklet. This guide will walk you through the buying process, helping you avoid costly mistakes, getting scammed, or buying a faulty car. It covers what to check and where to check it, sounds to listen for, engine liquids to inspect, how to detect if a car has been repainted, crucial documents to check, auction grades, and much more. Be sure to check the link in the video's description. Now let's talk about the cost. In Nairobi, premium all-terrain tires like Dunlop cost between 12k to 15k per tire, and sometimes even higher, depending on the size and type. New alloy rims cost anywhere from 30k for the 4 rims, upwards on the price depending on the quality, size, and type. You can find cheaper tire options like Chinese ones from Kenya shillings 5,500 each, but their quality and performance don't match premium brands. Second-hand rims are also an option, but for reliability, go for the best rims that your budget can allow. Like I said in my video on hidden cost of car ownership, budgeting for quality parts like tires is key. Don't compromise on safety and quality to save a few shillings. Now, here's the big lesson for first-time car buyers. When you're inspecting a car to buy, don't just look at the engine, the mileage, or the bodywork. You should inspect the rims and the tires as well. In my Mombasa video, I shared how I bargained knowing the tires were worn out, but what I didn't realize is that I should have also checked those 17-inch rims because they were an aftermarket fix, and they will force me to buy new rims. So the rims cost me extra cash, which I had not budgeted for. But how, in your case, how would you know which tire size your manufacturer recommends for that specific car? Just check the car's manual online if you can find it, or check the driver's door jump label, which contains the recommended tire size for that car. Now confirm if the rim and tire currently on the car are correct ones, or if they are an aftermarket fix. If they are an aftermarket fix, ensure that normal standard profile tires that can fit that rim are indeed available locally where you are. This will save you time, money, and frustration when replacing the tires a year or 2 later. The upgrade did lower my car's ground clearance by an inch, but it's no issue since I had already lifted it with coil springs. I'm happy with the car now, the balanced suspension and the all-terrain tires. The driving experience is much better now, and it's a good fix. If you're on your car buying journey, I'm here to help you make the smarter choices. If this was helpful, you can subscribe, like, and share it with anyone buying their first car. And in the comment section, you can share your car's questions or struggles you may be facing. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.